Another food group that's really, really important while you're backpacking is fat, because while you're hiking, basically you're going to be burning fat calories. And when your body has used up all the fat calories, it's going to start burning muscle calories. And you don't want to do that because it's going to give you more and more muscle pain. You're not going to be able to build the muscle that you need in order to get up the mountain. So another reason that fat is helpful is because if you eat a dinner of all protein or all carbohydrates, it's not going to really fill you up. You won't feel full. If you add just a little bit of fat in there, it'll make you feel full. You'll be less craving of food. So different kinds of fat, you can find fat in the same sausage that you can find your protein in. There's a lot of fat in sausage. You can also find it in nuts. Nuts are really, really good. They have lots of other nutrients in them. So although you're not supposed to eat a lot of fat regularly, it's really good to replenish those stores while you're backpacking.